Hi, I'm Jennifer of Celtic Knot Crochet. I'm excited to tell you about my class, Intro to Celtic Knot Crochet, which will be on Friday, July 30th from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Central Time. I am looking forward to teaching this class and sharing with you my technique for weaving different crocheted cords into Celtic knots and then edging them with more crochet stitches. This way you can create garments and blankets and wall hangings and jewelry, all the things that I enjoy incorporating Celtic knots into. In this class, you will get a handout that includes a list of different tips that I've come up with in weaving Celtic knots so that you can be successful. You'll also receive a pattern of the project that we will be working on. You'll be able to finish it by the end of class and maybe even start on a second one. There are several varieties of this project and you can pick which one you'd like. So if you'd like to join us on July 30th, please click on the link below and sign up today.